there, so how about a little brain boost in less than 3 minutes? It's really good to set goals, no matter how big or how small they are. When it comes to accomplishing them, there always seems to be something standing in the way. Not enough energy at the end of the day to prepare a really healthy meal instead of racing through the drive-thru at the fast food restaurant. Or not enough money to join that gym so that you can get in better shape. Or not enough time to finish that book you really want to write. Sometimes it's our own neurochemistry that's the problem. See, we're creatures of habit, and the human brain is wired to favor routine over novelty, even if that routine doesn't get us any closer to the goal. One way to trick your brain is by turning the steps toward the goal into a habit, thereby making it a routine. Habits and goals are stored differently in the brain, and specifically a region known as the orbitofrontal cortex is responsible for turning goals into habits. And the orbitofrontal cortex is a small region in the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in higher level executive processes such as decision making. Neuromessengers called endocannabinoids are responsible for modulating appetite and memory and mood, and, as the name implies, the psychoactive effects of cannabis. But they also promote the formation of habits. And the best way to get your endocannabinoids to help you form a habit is to make it part of every day. The more regular your behavior, the more easily the brain can convert those steps towards your goal into a habit. And if you're staring down a really big goal, break it down into little dopamine-friendly pieces. Remember, dopamine is that reward and pleasure chemical, but you can actually manipulate your dopamine levels by setting really small goals and then accomplishing them. For example, if you want to finish that book you're writing, commit to writing at least a paragraph every single day. Some days you might write just a paragraph, and other days you might write 10 pages. But the satisfaction of ticking off even a very small task and the commitment of sticking with it is linked with a flood of dopamine. And every time your brain gets it, it makes you want to repeat that associated behavior to go get it again. Stephen King once said, "Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration, and the rest of us get up and go to work." So, what are you waiting for? Set that goal, get up, and get to work. Want to learn more about how the brain works? Check out my new book, Happier Hour with Einstein, and the full color 28-day companion gratitude journal. They are both available now on Amazon. And if you enjoyed this Neuro Nugget, pass it on to someone in your corner of the world, because life is always better when you share the good stuff.